What is up, everyone? We're back. It's day 2 at Scotland. As you can see, castles in the background, Inverness Castle. We're just gonna explore the area around, go down the river lock a little bit more. Just trying to find some cool architecture. We don't really know what we're going to see. We just want to go explore this little town, come along for this cool adventure. I'll try to show a lot of the cool architecture. Let's get to it. So cold. Yeah, I'll flip you guys upside down. We have now arrived up at the castle. Unfortunately, they are remodeling the inside, so we couldn't go inside, but a little quick walk around was pretty cool. See a little bit of the architecture. It's not like a really big castle that I was expecting, like some medieval castle, but it is still pretty cool higher up. You know, great vantage point to see all around Inverness. Our Airbnb that we're staying at is just over there across the river. Super cool. Just doing a little bit of shopping. I'm really trying to find myself a nice sweatshirt that says Scotland or Inverness. We're just going down these little strip malls, just trying to find something nice, something cool, something unique. Just got done shopping. Unfortunately, I didn't find myself a nice sweatshirt, but we got plenty of other places that we're gonna visit throughout the week to still find something that I may like, but I sure did find something I did like for sure. Some Scotch whiskey, and then on top there's some fudge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So here we are now on the bridge, bouncing bridge. I really wanted to go back to the Airbnb and try that whiskey, so that's what we did, and then we decided to take a little small nap. Now we're on our way to go catch some dinner, so that should be real good. Stay tuned for some of that. Here's my venison, of course the salmon and prawns. I got some like weird alien vegetable. If any of you guys know what this is, throw it down in the comments, because I'm super curious what planet this came from, because I've never seen it in my life. I got the creme brulee for some dessert. It's looking so good. Chris says cheesecake. Cheese. Give that a little turn. Cheese. Well guys, that should do it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end. It's been a blast just exploring Inverness today. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe if you are really vibing this channel. I will put a link down in the description to our social medias, because we are always updating that live on our trips. Like I said before, this will be coming out after our trip. So if you guys do want live updates on what we're doing all the time on our trips, make sure you guys do follow S&CP Travels. I'll put it right here for you guys to see it, and I will always throw it down in the description. I'll catch you guys next time.